Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access Trust Wallet without your phrase. First, if your Trust Wallet app is still installed and unlocked on a device, you might already have access. Check your primary smartphone or tablet for an active session. If the app is open and functional, you can proceed to secure your funds or retrieve your recovery phrase from within the application itself. This is the most straightforward path. If you have an active wallet session, you can often find your recovery phrase. Go to the Settings menu inside the app. Then, select Wallets and choose the specific wallet you need. Look for an option like Show Recovery Phrase or Manual Backup. You'll likely need to enter your PIN or use biometrics to reveal it. Write this phrase down immediately and securely. It's crucial to understand that your 12-word recovery phrase is the ultimate key to your Trust Wallet. If you lose this phrase and don't have an active, unlocked app on a device, regaining access on a new device is impossible. This phrase is your proof of ownership. Treat it like cash. Never share it with anyone, not even Trust Wallet support, to protect your assets. To prevent future access issues, always secure your recovery phrase. Write it down on paper, clearly and accurately, and store it in a safe, private place. Consider multiple secure backups, perhaps in a fireproof safe or a bank deposit box. Never store it digitally where it could be vulnerable to hacks. Your diligence now ensures your funds are always accessible to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.